Okay, this is just going to be a little demonstration of my UI in action. So I hit play, it goes straight into this opening menu. Press exit here, as you'll see it will just close the game, but we're going to press play. And that opens up this menu here, which gives you the option of one of three tank types. The light tank, it's faster, lower health, it's got a machine gun, and it's got speed boost, that's stability. Medium tank, it's just kind of a all-rounder, kind of moderate stats, with a kind of cannon weapon and a shield ability. And then the heavy tank, slowest but most survivable. It's got a rocket launcher and it can drop a mine as its ability. You just click on which button you want and it will spawn you as that tank. Spawns the medium one for now. Bottom left you've got your health. Just above that is your ability charge, basically. When it's full, like it is now, it means your ability is ready to use. When it's empty, it means that you've just used it. And I'll show you that like filling up in just a second. Bottom right, we've got our weapon name. I don't know why it's got a C on the end of it. They all do for some reason. It's just the way it is right now. It's not a big deal. I'll sort out a way to solve it later. Above that is your ammunition, and above that is your reload bar. Basically, it's full when you can shoot, and every time you shoot it'll empty and then refill again when you're ready to shoot again. So basically it just, all the weapons are semi-automatic. It just basically tells you the fire delay between your shots. So you spawn with you just your starting weapon, and let's just show you the firing. So right trigger, bang, fires off a shot. Down the bottom right you'll see the ammo's gone down by 1 and the green bar emptied and then refilled. I can't remember what the like reload time is on this weapon, but it's not very long. But you'll see if I try and fire again before it's refilled it won't work. But if you fire as it fills, then you can just it gives you a static rate of fire. Now left trigger, use my ability, which on this medium tank is a shield, and then when the ability finishes the bar is empty, and as you can see it refills now. Pressing left trigger it won't fire off, but then when it fills up I can do it again and it's fine. I can damage myself. There's a damage volume in between these two blocks. Just swoop through it quickly. Does 50 damage. That's reflected in the UI, and this health pickup here is worth 50 health, so pick that up and there you go, I'm back to full. Just to show that the weapon display does change depending on what you're actually using. Let's pick up a couple more weapons. We can cycle through them, and as you can see it's changing the weapon that's displayed in the UI and the ammo that's displayed, and it is remembering that I've spent ammo even when I change weapons. And as you can see with the different weapons, the rate at which the green reload bar refills varies. So the launcher is the slowest to reload, then the cannon, and then the machine gun. And they all work. They do damage. The cannon is explosive. So yeah, that's the UI in action basically. One thing I forgot to mention, which I'm now adding in post, is that you can, while in the game, if you get bored of the demo or you want to just try out one of the other tanks or something, is you can go back into the menu. If you press the start button, it will just basically reloads the level. So just takes you back to the play and exit menu. I'll show you that in a second. Also, the different turrets have different turn speeds, which is kind of cool. So yeah, if I press start now, it'll take him back out to here. I was trying to find a way to have it just pause it and then let you change tank, but the issue is if you change tank it will just spawn the new tank inside the old one and it just messes everything up. So for now it's just you press start and it will just take you straight back to the just reloads the entire level, and then you can just pick your other tank, which is the light tank this time, and as you can see it's a lot faster and you've got the little speed boost and all that stuff. Yeah.